Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the experimental channel for Windows 11 26H1. There are some big news related to the experimental channel and especially the 26H1 branch, which we're going to cover in this video. And also we're going to mention all the other features that were released in the past 3 builds because those were smaller builds, and that's why I'm doing a single video for the past 3 or 4 builds. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, let's see the new build branch or enablement package that has been released for the 26H1 experimental build. This is it, 28,120.2242 for 26H1. Basically, this is the new enablement package and the old one has been moved to the beta channel. So now the beta channel also has a 26H1 version. Basically, there are a lot of new builds coming up for Windows 11, and if you want to keep up with everything that is being added and tested, make sure to follow this channel because I'm going to try to make an updated video for everything that is being changed and added in the infrastructure of Windows 11. So this is basically the new branch, the new enablement package that we're going to see on the experimental channel related to Windows 11 26H1. Now let's go ahead and talk about all the changes that we can mention and we haven't mentioned so far related to Windows 11 26H1. So first of all, what we can mention, since we haven't talked about the 26H1 branch of the experimental channel, we can mention the new addition of all the changes related to Windows Update. Basically, the ability to skip updates immediately during the out-of-the-box experience, extending the updates up to 35 days from the beginning date, how many times you want, so that is also pretty nice. Always available options to shut down and restart without updating your PC, and also more insights on available updates to make more informed installation decisions. Also, Microsoft is improving the reliability of the simple service discovery protocol notifications to help prevent the service from becoming unresponsive. When switching between multiple desktops, Microsoft has improved the reliability of Explorer.exe when closing the input switcher. Also related to the storage section of Windows 11 inside System and then the storage section, Microsoft has updated the dialog when creating a dev drive. So if you go to advanced storage settings, disks and volumes, and if you want to create a dev drive, we're going to have also the options to use the gigabytes instead of only megabytes. This has also been added when changing the size of volumes under settings, system and storage. And also related to fonts, Microsoft has done a few changes related to the Times New Roman font family, and that is updated to improve the rendering of combining diacritical marks across Greek and Cyrillic scripts. In this specific build that we're talking about today, Microsoft is also rolling out the ability to enable administrator protection in settings. If you go to privacy and security, then inside the Windows security section, you should have here account protection, and then you should be able to enable the administrator protection. If you want to do so, go to the settings and you can turn it on if you want to do so. Now, as discovered by Phantom of Earth on Twitter or X.com, there are also a few hidden things that Microsoft is not rolling out yet in this build, but they are hidden in the system. So for example, we have the new modern startup animation or logout animation, restart animation with this new spinning donut. It's a nice animation that basically goes hand in hand with the Windows 11 design principles. Also, Microsoft has added the new modernized run dialog. So if you go inside the system in advanced, you're going to be able to enable it, and if you use the Windows plus or combination on your keyboard, you're going to have the new modern run. And also inside settings, Microsoft is adding the new screen tint feature, which has also been added, as I've said, on the 26H1 branch of Windows 11 in the experimental channel. These are basically all the things that have been added to 26H1. Now, for those of you who are more tech inclined and you want to test out all these new latest features, I'm going to quickly show you what commands you need to run with Vive tool if you want to enable all the hidden features. And also the commands will be listed in the article below if you just want to copy and paste them. Basically, the new Windows Update options such as pausing or having the option to always shut down or restart is this command. The new modern run dialog is this one with 4 different IDs, the new startup animation, and the new screen tint feature. All these commands will basically enable all these features for you. You're going to have them in the article below in the video description if you want to get them. All of these commands have been discovered in the past by Phantom of Earth on Twitter or X.com. A huge shout out to him. Make sure to follow him from the pinned comment below. So this is it basically for 26H1 on the experimental channel. We have finally been moved to a new branch or a new enablement package, and the old branch or enablement package has been moved to a new beta channel version for 26H1. More information about this build will be in the article below in the video description and also on the official Microsoft blog post if you want to check that out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.